Hey, I'm back with the slightly upgraded ADO project of mine from Phase 1 to Phase 2, and let's take a look at what we got so far. So we still got the same login page, so let's log into my account. And so as I have shown in Phase 1, you're able to update informations and modify information as well. So such as if you go to account information, it's going to show you my registered name, my phone number, as well as my email address. So if you click on edit info, it's going to take you to a form that allows you to edit your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and as well as password. So if you look into SQL Server, let's open that up real quick. This is also connected architecture, by the way. That's the wrong program. Alright, so we go to new query, and we connect this to Notes app DB. That's the program, that's the database that my program is connected to. And we say select all from person information. We run it. Here are all the records, all the registered users, along with their number information, number ID, first name, last name, phone number, email address, and login password. So let's go back. So say that I want to change my name to Mark, and that I want to change my name to Wong, my last name to Wong. My phone number will remain the same. And email address is going to be mark156@yahoo.com. That will remain the same as well. I'll also keep my password the same. Actually, I'll name it something else, Whole Universe. And I'll say save. Your account information has been updated, and it'll take you back to the main menu. So we take a look back into SQL Server. Notice how it says, notice how my first name and last name gets updated right now. Oh, okay, so there's going to be two Mark Wongs, I see. Yeah, so this is my previous information. If we refresh that, as I expected, there's going to be two Mark Wongs. So here's my ID. So first name is going to be Mark, last name is Wong. Phone numbers and email address remain the same, but the login password is going to be Hello Universe. So where did that old information go? I put that in another table called old user information, which is going to be right over here in another table, old user info. So if we take a look at that, user info. So I actually wrote a stored procedure saying that if you're going to update it, if you're going to update your account information, it's going to move that old record towards this table. So here is the latest record that has been modified, and that was the one that I just updated. So then for the insert, you can add a new note description. Let's say test for ADO, and all these are going to remain the same. Has task been completed? No. Let's save, and it's going to ask for a title for this note. We'll just put down test for ADO. Say okay, note has been added. And we go back, and we'll go to see all notes. And it'll return an aggregate saying that you have 5 notes created. And on the bottom below that, it's going to be a combo box. And here you go, test for ADO. And just grab all those information for you and store it into a rich text box. We hit cancel. And that is also going to be in a table as well called dbo.notes page. So select all from dbo.notes page. And this is the latest one that I have added in here. Alright. So going on to the datasets. I have created a dataset called DS Notes. Basically this right here. I only have 3 tables. So notes page, old user info, and personal information. And the program, not the program, but the page. Let's see. Which one is that? So many forms over here. View all records, I think that's it. There we go. So middle tier is right here. So I wrote a few methods in middle tier that respond back to this form. And what I have on this form is an int value, and it'll grab the method from middle tier, and it's gonna return an aggregate. And this is a DS nodes as the what do you call that? It's the dataset object. And here I declared a dataset object called notes. And so notes equals EBMT, that's the middle tier object, and this is the method in the middle tier to get all the user information and store it into a data grid. And so as a user, you can actually see who is logged in. Well, not logged in, but like who are registered users. And this is how the GUI looks like at the moment. Not much, but just very simple. So let's start it up and let's say Mark. I'll log in again. Okay, this is universe. So view other members. So it'll say currently there are 10 registered members. As you can see, in SQL Server, there are 10 registered members. And these are the records. I didn't put their phone number, email, or password login, just so they could have their own privacy and such. But yeah, so this is my data grid grabbing records from the dataset called DS Notes. And that's pretty much it.